Nike Dunk Low in the Sandy colorway, a true neck breaker. So many questions to be answered, such a great history. Today we're going to be covering and answering hopefully all the questions you have, like who is the guy on the insole? Why does it look like it's missing a few pieces? What is the story behind this dunk anyways? We're going to be going through a bunch of history. It's a really great story today, so make sure you sit back, relax, watch to the end. Let's go ahead and get into this. What's up everybody? As always, hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you're new here, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area. I'm assuming if you're watching this, you like sneakers, I like sneakers too, and this whole channel revolves around sneakers. Guys, we're only like 344 subs away from the big 2,000 subs. The goal is to hit it by New Year's. The goal is to hit it by New Year's. I know we can do it. We're always putting out a bunch of sneaker content on the channel that you aren't going to want to miss out on. So make sure to subscribe. The eBay Dunk has a story unlike any other sneaker we have covered on the channel. So let's get right into it. Also, let me know if you guys were able to cop. I tried today. No luck, but hopefully one day, In August of 2003, Nike created a one-of-one Nike eBay Dunk Low that was to be released via eBay auction. All proceeds that were going to be made from this dunk release were to go to the Tim Brouch Foundation. Tim Brouch was a skateboarder from the San Jose area that died at the age of 25 due to cardiac arrest. These funds also helped build skate parks in the Portland area. Now, how much exactly did this eBay dunk go for? It went for nearly $30,000. To be more specific, $26K. So after the winner received his pair, Nike, more specifically Sandy Bodecker at Nike, took a saw and took the eBay Dunk Low and cut it into 4 pieces. Some might say he's a madman. The shoe just went for $30,000 and he decided to cut it up into 4 pieces. Pretty wild, but if you think about it, these 4 cut up pieces are probably more iconic than the fully intact eBay Dunk Low itself. Remember the saw though, because we will be seeing it again. So everyone really knew that the only person who had a fully intact pair was this mysterious eBay winner. Who exactly was this person? We'll get into that a little bit later. And the only other eBay dunks were cut into 4 pieces. It's not like nowadays where Jordan Brand or Nike will be like, this is the only pair exists, and then an Instagram reseller will be like, oh, my mom's uncle's best friend's dog walker was able to get me a pair from Nike. They're legit, bro. Check my refs. Like, no, everyone knew there was only 2 pairs. One was fully intact, one was not. But if we do fast forward a little bit, in 2018, Sandy Bodecker revealed that Nike did give him a fully intact eBay dunk. Who was Sandy Bodecker, you may be asking? Sandy Bodecker was a footwear tester and VP of special projects at Nike. He joined the company in 1982, and it was under his guidance that Nike was able to start up Nike SB in 2002. Without him, many of the beloved Nike SB collaborations that we love today wouldn't have been made. Unfortunately, in October of 2018, he passed away at the age of 66 years old. So you probably caught on by now that the Nike Dunk Low Sandy is called Sandy because this is meant to honor Sandy Bodecker. On the insole of the left shoe, you can see Sandy Bodecker, and on the insole of the right shoe, we have a picture of him trying on the eBay dunk that is cut up into pieces. This is why I really love this shoe, because it tells a great story and celebrates Sandy Bodecker's life. Also on the tongue tag, we simply see SB, under it we see the Nike swoosh, and under we see hashtag Nike SB forever. 2022 Sandy pair does feature neck-breaking clear panels. It features blue laces, a green sock liner, the iconic red, yellow, green, blue colors on the upper of this dunk, and depending on which release you are able to get, you may receive a huge skatable Nike SB box or a normal cardboard Nike SB box. For the Sandy Dunk Low, there were 2 releases. There was a special edition release and then the GR release. For the special edition release, this packaging is I don't even know how to describe it. It is astonishing. So there were 10 special editions that came in a skatable Nike SB box. It also had a skatable ledge. This box was featured in an ad that featured P-Rod and Eric Costin grinding and shredding the box, which was mesmerizing. Inside the box, you can find a special card that is numbered 1 through 10. You can find a saw that matches the eBay company colors. You can find 2 pairs of shoes, one being the Sandy Dunk and another being the eBay Dunk. Now for the eBay Dunk, the right shoe is cut up, but the left shoe is fully intact. And then of course you have the Sandy Dunks, and then on the right side of the box you have the Sandy Dunks fully intact, ready to go skating. Overall, this auction was able to fetch over 355k for the Bodecker Foundation, which was great. The highest a special packaging went for was $42,800. The lowest was $29,100. One lot received 131 bids, which must have been an absolute bidding war, and the lowest amount of bids received on another packaging was 85 bids. While everyone would love to have the special edition packaging, how did the GRs release? Well, on December 15th, the GRs released at skate shops, and then pairs were sold at skate shops, and then on December 17th, pairs were released on everybody's favorite Nike sneakers. Retail for these was a more affordable $130, and of course, they did sell out. As of today, December 17th at 10:36 p.m., a pair of Nike eBay Dunks or Sandy Dunks are going for $262 in my size 9.5. There are a lot of mixed reviews for this shoe. Some people think it's ugly, some people say it reminds them of the 2006 clear Air Forces. This guy commented this, which genuinely made me giggle, not like the text you sent to someone like, oh, that's so hilarious, and you're sitting there not laughing, but I genuinely giggled. But I think the cool thing about this sneaker, whether you think it's ugly or the most beautiful shoe you have ever seen, it has a great story. Before we get into the last question of, well, who won the 2003 eBay Dunk Low auction, I want to tell you guys to make sure to check out @KickedOutLV on Poshmark and eBay. It really helps out the channel, and thank you to everyone who has purchased something. Also, if you do place an order, DM me on Instagram. You can DM @KickedOutLV, and I'll go ahead and throw in a Supreme sticker or two in your order. And we always ship fast, but yeah, if you have any questions, you can go to Poshmark and I think they have a comment. eBay, you can send a message. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Alrighty, let's answer this question. Who bought the Nike eBay Dunk Low? Leave it in the comments below. I'll give you guys a few seconds. Alrighty, so who won the Nike eBay Dunk Low 2003 auction? The answer is... oh wow, that was weird. Nobody knows. Nobody actually knows who won. Some people speculate that it was a higher up at Nike and that the shoes never even left Oregon, and that sounds kinda right. Obviously anyone can speculate anything, but who do you guys think has this shoe? Do you guys think Fat Joe will pull out this shoe one day and be like, I got him? Or another big collector? Who do you guys think would have this sneaker? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Like I said, we're on the road to 2,000 subs, guys. We are so close. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Till the next time, guys. Peace. Get one person. We give him the formula. He's gonna get another person. He's gonna even get one more person. And this guy's gonna pick up one person. He's gonna pick up another person. And this guy's gonna pick up 2 more people. And we just go down the line. And this is what we call business.